Hello, students. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and today we are going to solve the short and long answer questions for the chapter The Rat Trap. ये चैप्टर बड़ा ही इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके एग्जामिनेशन के लिए। इसमें जो क्वेश्चंस आपके कभी न कभी पूछे गए हैं बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस में, वो सारे क्वेश्चंस मैंने इस वीडियो में उठाए हैं। सो लेट्स बिगिन। पहले शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे और फिर लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, What doubts did Adla have about the peddler? एडला विल्मेनसन के मन में पेडलर के लिए कौन से डाउट्स थे? एडला प्रीवियसली थॉट दैट द पेडलर हैड स्टोलन समथिंग और हैड एस्केप्ड फ्रॉम जेल। पहली नज़र में देखा तो उसके दिमाग में ये आया, या तो ये जेल से भागा या फिर इसने कुछ चुराया है। शी डिड नॉट बिलीव हिम टू बी एजुकेटेड, दस शी डिड नॉट थिंक ऑफ हिम एज हर फादर्स ओल्ड रेजिमेंटल कॉमरेड। उसको ये भी भरोसा नहीं हुआ कि वो पढ़ा लिखा है, और उसको ये भी उम्मीद नहीं थी कि वो उसके फादर का ओल्ड रेजिमेंटल फ्रेंड नील्स ओलफ हो सकता था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट मेड द पेडलर फाइनली चेंज हिज वेज? पेडलर अपने तौर तरीकों में बदलाव लाता है लास्ट में, कैसे, क्यों? द पेडलर चेंज हिज वे ऑफ लिविंग बिकॉज ऑफ द लव एंड हॉस्पिटलिटी सोन बाय एडला, डॉटर ऑफ द आयरन मास्टर। ही लिव्ड अ डूम्ड लाइफ, बट व्हेन ही वाज रेस्पेक्टेड एंड केयर्ड, he changed his way of living. He began to live with dignity and respect. एडला विल्मेनसन की वजह से अपने तौर तरीके में बदलाव लाता है और वो डिग्निटी की लाइफ जीने लगता है। Why did the peddler keep to the woods after leaving the crofter's cottage? क्या वजह थी पेडलर क्रॉफ्टर का घर छोड़ करके उसके यहाँ से 30 क्रोनर्स चुरा करके जंगल का रास्ता पकड़ लेता है? हाउ डिड ही फील, और वहाँ उसने क्या महसूस किया? The peddler kept to the woods after leaving the crofter's cottage because he wanted to avoid police. He was afraid as he had stolen the crofter's money. He thought that if he took to the road, he might be caught or seen by policemen or the crofter. Next one, who was the owner of Ramsau Iron Mill? Ramsau Iron Mill का ओनर कौन था? Why did he visit the mill at night? वो नाइट में क्यों जाता था मिल पे? The owner of that mill was very prominent iron master. His greatest ambition was to ship out good iron to the market. He insisted on quality and kept a watch on the work round the clock. He came to the forge on one of his night rounds of inspection. उस रात भी उसी लिए आया था वो इंस्पेक्शन करने के लिए, and ultimately met the peddler. How did the iron master react on seeing the stranger lying close to the furnace? क्या रिएक्शन था आयरन मास्टर का उस पेडलर को देखने के बाद? The iron master adjusted his hat to see the stranger very carefully. He seemed to him as one of his acquaintances, so he offered to take him home. उसको लगा कि ये उसका पुराना फ्रेंड है, ओल्ड कॉमरेड है, इस नाते उसने ऑफर किया कि चलो मेरे साथ मेरे घर चलो, इन द मैनोर हाउस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिडंट द स्ट्रेंजर टेल द आयरन मास्टर दैट ही वाज नॉट नील्स ओलफ? उस स्ट्रेंजर ने, उस पेडलर ने क्यों नहीं बताया कि वो नील्स ओलफ नहीं था, जबकि वो जानता था? हाउ डिड द पेडलर रिएक्ट व्हेन ही सॉ दैट द आयरन मास्टर हैड रिकॉग्नाइज्ड हिम एज नील्स ओलफ, एन ओल्ड रेजिमेंटल कॉमरेड? क्या रिएक्शन था उसका? द पेडलर वॉज मिस्टेकन बाय द आयरन मास्टर टू बी एन ओल्ड एक्वेंटेंस फ्रॉम द रेजिमेंट। पेडलर को मिस्टुक कर लिया गया, उसको ये समझा गया कि वो उसका फ्रेंड है, एक्वेंटेंस है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं था। ही अज्यूम्ड दैट द आयरन मास्टर वुड हैंड हिम अ फ्यू क्रोनर्स एंड देयरफॉर मेड नो अटेम्प्ट्स टू डिनाई द रेफरेंस बीइंग मेड। उसको लगा कि ज़्यादा क्या करेगा, कुछ पैसे दे देगा, इसी नाते वो कोई भी रेफरेंस नहीं देता है। He replies by saying that things had gone downhill for him. क्या रिप्लाई किया? हाँ, उसकी हालत ठीक नहीं है। However, when the iron master said that he should not have resigned and suggested that Nils Olaf should accompany him to the manor, he flatly refused to do so out of fear of being found out. तो उसको डर था कि पकड़ा जाएगा, इस वजह से वो मना कर देता है। नेक्स्ट वन, why did Adla invite the peddler to stay with her family? एडला विल्मेनसन क्यों इनवाइट करती है पेडलर को अपने फैमिली के साथ रहने के लिए? वो चाहती थी उसका क्रिसमस अच्छा बनाना। एडला वॉज अ काइंड एंड कंपैशनेट Edla was a kind and compassionate young lady. It was Christmas and she wanted the peddler to be a guest for the occasion and share all the goodies that were prepared for Christmas. She had also sensed his fear, but she wanted him to spend some time in her house without any fear and relax in comfort and security. तो उसका क्रिसमस अच्छा बनाना चाहती थी वो, उसके मन में डर को भांप गई थी, इस वजह से चाहती थी कि वो उसके घर जाए. Why did the peddler think that the world was a rat trap? Very important question. पेडलर को क्यों लगता है कि पूरा वर्ल्ड एक बड़ा सा रैट ट्रैप है? द पेडलर वॉज अ वेरी पुअर मैन. He earned his living by selling rat traps made out of material bought by begging. Suddenly, he realized that the world was a rat trap. The riches, the luxuries, and comforts all are baits. Like rats, people allow themselves to be tempted by these baits. Once caught, everything is lost, and even struggles would not let anyone escape. और एक बार आप पकड़ लिए गए तो फिर बाहर नहीं आ सकते. What did the gift of the rat trap signify? जो रैट ट्रैप का गिफ्ट है, जो वो देता है एडलाविल मेनेसन को, वो क्या सिग्निफाई करता? व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ दैट रैट ट्रैप? इन द स्टोरी द रैट ट्रैप द पेडलर रीप्स a small rat trap with 30 kroners and a note for Edla. He confesses his mistake and asks Edla to return the money to the crofter. Next one. What do we learn about the crofter's nature from the story The Rat Trap? क्रॉफ्टर बहुत अच्छे नेचर का व्यक्ति था. उसने पेडलर को जगह दी, खाना दिया, टोबैको दिया, दोनों ने मियोलिस गेम खेला और अल्टीमेटली पेडलर ने उसके घर से 30 करोड़ चुरा लिए. द क्रॉफ्टर वॉज लोनली एंड ट्रस्टिंग. ही वॉज हॉस्पिटेबल एंड गलीबल. Without any doubt on the peddler, he invites the peddler inside his house at night and shares not only his food but also the whereabouts of his hard earned money. He was friendly and talkative. He felt proud of his cow that gave him enough milk to support him and talks a lot about it. अपने गाय के बारे में बताता है जिसको बोसी बुलाता है वो, और बताता है कैसे उसने 30 करोड़ कमाए हैं. Why did the crofter show the 30 kroners to the peddler? क्यों दिखा दिया उसने 30 kroners जो छुपा के रखे थे उसने? The crofter felt proud of the cow that gave him enough milk to support him. So he told the peddler that he had got 30 kroners from the creamery as the payment of previous month's supply. However, he felt that the peddler did not believe him. उसको लगा कि उसने विश्वास नहीं किया. नहीं करोगे विश्वास, लो दिखा देते हैं. Thus he showed the money to convince him. Next one. Why did the iron master speak kindly to the peddler and invite him home? Iron master उस peddler को politely बात करता है. तो क्यों invite करता है? क्योंकि उसको मिस्टुक कर लिया, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई. The iron master mistook the peddler to the Nils. The iron master mistook the peddler to be Nils Olof, his old regimental comrade. He goes on to tell him that he would not have allowed him to resign if he had been in service. अगर वो रहता वहाँ पे तो अलाउ नहीं करता उसको रिजाइन करने के लिए. As if to make amends for what had happened, the iron master tells the peddler to accompany him to the manor so that he can be received honorably like an old regimental comrade should. Next one. Why was Edla happy to see the gift left by the peddler? Edla खुश हो जाती है गिफ्ट देख करके. क्यों? Edla had placed great trust in poor vagabond. The news of him being a thief had left her feeling dejected. वो निराश हो गई थी, परेशान हो गई थी. When she got home from church, she found a gift left for her and all her belongings untouched. पहले उन्होंने क्या सोचा कि सारा सामान लेके उड़ गया होगा. She was overjoyed to learn that her trust and kindness were appreciated. She cried with joy to find 30 kroners that the peddler had left to be returned to Crofter. What was the content of the letter written to Edla by the peddler? उस लेटर में क्या लिखा था? कंटेंट क्या था उसका? The peddler had left a packet behind for Edla which contained a rat trap as a Christmas gift. Inside the packet, there was a letter and 30 kroners. In the letter, he has thanked Edla for her kindness and hospitality towards a stranger. He also repented for his crimes in the letter. Now, लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस. अभी तक हम लोग जो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे थे वो था शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन. अभी हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. हाउ डिड द क्रॉफ्टर टेम्प्ट द पेडलर टू स्टील हिज मनी? हाउ डिड इट चेंज द पेडलर्स लाइफ? क्रॉफ्टर उसको खुद बाध्य करता है पेडलर को कि रुपया चुरा ले. कैसे? अगर वो नहीं दिखाता 30 क्रोनर्स तो क्यों चुराता? हाउ डिड इट चेंज द पेडलर्स लाइफ? और इसने कैसे पेडलर का जीवन बदल दिया? आंसर. व्हेन द क्रॉफ्टर इन्वाइटेड द पेडलर इन एंड showed him 3 10 kroner notes and put them back into the pouch near the window, He unconsciously set a bait for the poor peddler. अनजाने में ही सही, लेकिन उस पुअर पेडलर के लिए उसने एक चारा रख दिया. Just like a bait in the rat trap. The temptation to steal the money enticed the peddler back after the crofter had left. So he returned after half an hour. Once he took the bait, his life completely changed its course. पूरी तरह जीवन बदल गया उसका. He found himself to be trapped. Fearing the police, he took to the woods, found himself to be lost and entrapped further. It was until he found the iron mill where Ironmaster and his daughter Edla ventured into his lilt. Although Edla's invitation took the peddler deeper into the rat trap, her kindness and generosity allowed the peddler to break free from it. As for Edla, her trust was rewarded when the peddler left 30 kronas to be returned to the crofter with her, along with a heartfelt note. Next question. What miracle did Edla perform in the peddler's life? How? एडला ने क्या जादू कर दिया पेडलर की लाइफ में और कैसे? Initially, Edla convinced the peddler to join her and the Iron Master for Christmas. पहले तो पहला जादू उसका ये चला कि कन्विंस करने में सफल रही. She gave him assurance with her kind words and brought him home. When it was discovered that he was not Captain Nils Olaf, she stepped in and stopped her father from kicking him out. Her attitude and hospitality towards the peddler never faltered, which brought a change in the peddler's heart. Her sympathetic nature and genuineness helped the peddler to redeem himself. Her concern and care helped the peddler open his heart to her. And as a Christmas present, he left her 30 kroners, which were to be returned to the crofter, along with a thank you note. She had successfully transformed the peddler into a captain. Next question. Adla proved to be much more persuasive than her father while dealing with the peddler. Comment. Otherwise, the peddler declined the invitation of the Iron Master but accepted the one from Edla. Why? आयन मास्टर रिक्वेस्ट करता है नहीं जाता, लेकिन एडला विन मेल्सन का रिक्वेस्ट मान लेता है. क्यों? लेट्स सी. द पेडलर वॉज अफ्रेड एज ही वॉज कैरिंग स्टोलन मनी विद हिम. द पेडलर न्यू दैट द आयन मास्टर हैड मिस्टेकन हिम फॉर एन old regimental comrade and feared that the Iron Master would send him to the police once he learned his true identity. उसको डर था कि आयन मास्टर जैसे ही जान जाएगा वो कौन है, पुलिस में उसको दे देगा. He felt as if he were talking into He felt as if he were walking into a lion's den. ऐसे महसूस किया जैसे वो शेर की माद में जा रहा था. He did not want to go there. He only wanted to spend the night in the forge. He wanted to sneak away in the morning unnoticed. Then he thought of the 30 kroners. They were a bait and he could not resist the temptation. However, he accepted Edla's invitation as she spoke kindly to him. She realized that he was afraid. Therefore, she assured him that no harm would come to him and he was at liberty to leave whenever he wanted. जब चाहे घर छोड़ के जा सकता था. The compassionate manner of the daughter won the confidence of the peddler, who agreed to go to their home. तैयार हो जाता है. Next one. Why did the crofter repose confidence in the peddler? How did the peddler betray that and with what consequences? कैसे क्रॉफ्टर उस पर विश्वास करता है और कैसे पेडलर उसका विश्वास तोड़ देता है. और हाउ डिड द पेडलर बेट्रे द कॉन्फिडेंस रिपोज्ड इन हिम बाय द क्रॉफ्टर इन द रैट ट्रैप. तो इस तरह से क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं. द पेडलर डिड बेट्रे द कॉन्फिडेंस रिपोज्ड इन हिम बाय द क्रॉफ्टर. ही कंसिडर्ड दिस वर्ल्ड नथिंग बट अ बिग रैट ट्रैप. इट सेट्स बेट फॉर पीपल. The peddler unwillingly allowed himself to be tempted to touch the bait. Those 30 kroners which the crofter stuffed into the pouch proved to be bait. He stole the money. By doing so, he committed a breach of trust. It was nothing but simple moral degeneration. One dark evening, as he was walking along the road, he saw a grey cottage by the roadside. He knocked on the door to ask shelter for the night. He was well received there. अच्छे से उसका वेलकम हुआ वहाँ पे. The owner was an old who was crofter without wife or child. He was happy to find a man to talk to in his loneliness. The old crofter served him supper, gave him tobacco, and played game cards with him. Miolis. The old man went to the window and took down a leather pouch. He showed him 30 kroners and put them into the pouch, which he hung near the window frame. It provided a big bait. The peddler was tempted to steal them. In this way, he betrayed the confidence that was reposed in him by the host, the crofter. Next one, the peddler thinks that the whole world is a rat trap. This view of life is true only for himself and of no one else in the story. Comment. सबको वो सोचता है कि सब लोग फंसे हुए हैं रैट ट्रैप में, लेकिन असल में वो फंस जाता है। कैसे? कमेंट। द पेडलर इज अ विक्टिम ऑफ retrenchment that occurred with machines taking over manual labor. In the second half of the 19th century, industrialization made him a traveling rat trap salesman. Even the crofter and the ironmaster of Ramsau Ironwork are fellow sufferers. तो सब परेशान है, मशीन युग आ गया है, लोगों के पास काम नहीं रहा। The peddler's own experience perhaps makes him conclude the world, with its lands and seas, its cities and villages, was nothing but a big rat trap. It existed for no other reason than as baits for everybody. It offered riches, joy, shelter and food, heat and clothing exactly as the rat trap offered cheese and pork. जैसे rat trap cheese और pork ऑफर करता है। And as soon as anyone let himself be tempted to touch the bait, it closed in on him and everything came to an end. The peddler was likewise trapped into stealing the 30 kroners. He gives into Edla and accepts the invitation to stay for Christmas dinner. But he is able to save himself in the end by leaving the 30 kroners behind along with a rat trap and a touching letter to Edla Wilmanson. Very soon after stealing the crofter's money, how did the peddler realize that he was himself caught in a rat trap? कैसे पेडलर को ये महसूस हो गया कि वो खुद एक बड़े से रैट ट्रैप में फंस चुका था? After stealing the crofter's money, the peddler started walking toward the forest to stay safe. He tried to walk in a definite direction, but the paths were strangely twisted. He kept on walking without coming to the end of the woods. Finally, he realized that he had been walking around the same part of the forest. He then realized that the whole forest, with its trunks and branches, its thickets and fallen logs, closed in upon him like an impenetrable prison from which he could never escape. This time, he was trapped in a rat trap himself. Next question, and the last question in this video. Adla's empathetic and compassionate behavior changed the life of the rat trap seller. Do you think that an act of kindness can change a person's view of the world? Yes, an act of kindness does change a person's perspective and nature as well, his view of the world. The peddler had been living a despicable life of poverty, despair, and frustration. Everywhere he went, he was not welcomed and had the fear of being caught. जहाँ भी वो जाता उसको डर था कि पकड़ा जाएगा. No one was there in his life who would love him. उसकी लाइफ में कोई नहीं था जो उसको प्रेम करता. Edlaw's hospitality and kindness deeply touched him. He never expected such kind treatment being a stranger to Edla. It was her generosity which made Peddler to confess his mistake and repay for his wrongdoings by behaving like a real captain. Captain won his tail. He left Rat Trap as a Christmas gift for her and wrote a letter of thanks, leaving behind the stolen money. This way, he redeemed himself from a thief to real captain and emerged altogether as a transformed person. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.